how to delete Twitter account permanently. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can we delete our Twitter account permanently in just few simple steps. Also, this will be short, easy, and to the point tutorial. So just remember the channel name Haskery and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your X account. Then tap on this profile icon here in the top left corner. Then tap on settings and support. Then again, tap on settings and privacy, and you will head to this page. Tap on your account. Then tap here on deactivate account. Now there are two most important things you need to know that we can restore our X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. The second thing is to use our current username or email address with a different X account. Change them before you deactivated this account. Once understood everything, press deactivate, and your Twitter account will be deleted after 30 days. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.